Hey guys, welcome to Barcelona Extra. Xavi Hernandez had the plan for Saturday's training session. He set up a match to let Pedro, De Jong and Christensen test themselves and check their physical condition before the first leg of the Champions League quarterfinals against PSG. All three players participated well, but Pedro is unable to complete the session, so he is likely not to play in the first leg against PSG. And Xavi had all the available players on the Tito Villanova pitch. Barcelona want to keep everything hush-hush to avoid giving any hints to their French rival. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Barcelona updates. Thank you.